Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Today we will start on exercise 5.5 question number 1. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 2, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7 and 7, 2. Okay, here it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, now centroid formula you know x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, now substitute all the values in this formula. So x1 value 2, x2 value minus 3, x3 value 7 divided by 3 after y1 value minus 4, y2 value minus 7, y3 value plus 2. Okay, so 2 plus 7 9, 9 minus 3 equal to 6 divided by 3, 4 minus 4 minus 7 minus 11, minus 11 plus 2 equal to minus 9 by 3, 6 by 3 equal to minus 3, 9 by 3 equal to minus 3. Okay, first part over. After second subdivision, minus 5, minus 5, 1, minus 4 and minus 4, minus 2. Here it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2, it is x3, y3. Now centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Substitute x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to minus 5, 1, minus 4 by 3 after y1 plus y2 plus y3 means minus 5, minus 4, minus 2. Okay, now minus 5, minus 4, minus 9, minus 9 plus 1 equal to minus 8 by 3, minus 5, minus 4, minus 9, minus 9, minus 2, minus 11 by 3. So it is cannot be reduced. So minus 8 by 3, minus 11 by 3 is a final answer. Now question number 2. If the centroid of a triangle is at 4, minus 2 and 2 and to its vertices are 3, minus 2 and 5, 2, then find the third vertex of the triangle. Centroid G equal to 4, minus 2. Centroid values give 4, minus 2. Centroid of a triangle means 4, minus 2. Of one vertices 3, minus 2. Another one vertices 5, 2. Then third one missing, that is x3, y3. Okay, centroid formula x1 plus x2 by 3, x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2, y3 by 3. Okay, so centroid value 4, minus 2 equal to x1, x2 value 3, 5. After x3 value unknown, so x3 as it is by 3. After y1 value minus 2, y2 value 2, y1 value minus 2, y2 value 2 plus y3 value as it is y3 only by 3. Okay, 4, minus 2 is here. Now comparing first term and first term, second term and second term. So first term means 8 plus x3 by 2 by 3 equal to 4. Second term y3 by 3 equal to minus 2. So 8 plus x3 by 3 equal to 4. Now divided 3 in opposite, multiple. So 3 4s are 12. So 8 plus x3 equal to 12. x3 equal to 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 equal to 4. Okay. So y3 by 3 equal to minus 2. So y3 equal to 3 2s are minus 6. So the third vertex is x3 y3 equal to 4, minus 6. Thank you students. Question number 3. Find the length of the median through a point of triangle whose vertices are a of minus 1, 3, b of 1, minus 1, c of 5, 1. Now it is a triangle A, B, C. One side minus 1, 3, another one side 1, minus 1, C equal to 5, 1. But midpoint value is missing. Midpoint means D. Okay, so D means x, y. So D of x, y is the midpoint. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So D of xy equal to, what is x1? Midpoint is between the value of B to C. So x1, y1 means 1, minus 1. x2, y2 is 5, 1. Okay, here x1, y1, x2, y2. So instead of x1 plus x2 means 1 plus 5 divided by 2. After y1 value minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus y 6 by 2. 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0 by 2. So 6 by 2 3, 0 by 2 0. So a equal to, after length of AD. Length of AD means root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. Length of AD. Okay, so formula, distance formula is here. Now A value minus 1, 3. After D value we got it. D value equal to 3, 0. 3, 0. Now here it is x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute all the values in this formula. So x2 value 3, x1 value minus 1. So minus into minus 1 plus 1. After y2 value 0, y1 value 3. So 0 minus 3 equal to minus 3. So 3 plus 1 4 square, minus 3 whole square plus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square means plus 3 whole square. So plus 3 whole square plus 9. 4 square 16. 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Square root of 25 equal to 5 units. Okay. Question number 3 over. Question number 4. The vertices of a triangle are 1, 2, h, minus 3, minus 4 comma k if the centroid of the triangle is at the point 5 comma 5 comma minus 1, 5 comma minus 1, then find the value of root of h plus k whole square plus h plus 3k whole square value. Solution. Now x1 comma y1 is 1 comma 2, x2 comma y2 equal to h comma minus 3, x3 comma y3 is 5 comma minus 1. Then centroid formula x3 comma y3 is minus 4 comma k. After centroid value is give, centroid of the triangle means 5 comma minus 1. Okay, now centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, now substitute all the values in this formula. So instead of x1 equal to 1, instead of x2 equal to h, instead of x3 equal to minus 4 by 3. After instead of y1 equal to 2, y2 equal to minus 2, y2 equal to minus 3, y3 equal to 4, y3 equal to k. Okay, k by 3. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5, 5 minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3 plus h is here, 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1, minus 1 plus k by 3 is here. Okay, after 5 minus 1 is the center value. Now compare first term and first value, second term and second value. So minus 3 plus h by 3 equal to 5, minus 1 plus k by 3 equal to minus 1. So minus 3 plus h equal to 3 5s are 50. 3 5s are 50. Divided by 3 in opposite multiple. So 3 5s are 50. Now h equal to 15 minus 3 in opposite plus 3. So 15 plus 3 18. H value got it. After second term minus 1 plus k by 3 equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus k by 3 equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus k equal to 3 divisible 3 in opposite multiple. So 3 1s are minus 3. 3 1s are minus 3. So k equal to that side minus 1 opposite plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2. So k value also we got it. Okay. Now what is the formula? Root of h plus k whole square plus h plus 3k whole square. What is h value? 18. What is k value? Minus 2. Plus what is h value? 18. What is k value? Minus 2. So 3 of minus 2 whole square. So minus 2 whole square plus 4. Minus 2 whole square is here. Okay, so 18 minus 2 whole square is here. 18 minus 2 equal to plus into minus minus 18 minus 2 equal to 16 square plus 3 2s are minus 6 is here. So 18 minus 6 equal to 12. 18 minus 6 equal to 12. 12 square is here. 16 square 256, 12 square 144. So 256 144 equal to 400. 400 square root of 400 how to write? 20. So 20 is the final result of question number 4. Okay. Thank you students. Let's now question number 6. If ABC is a triangle, of whose vertices are A 3, 4, B minus 2, minus 1, C 5, 3 is here. Okay, D is a midpoint. D means D of x, y. Now centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, now instead of x1 equal to, here it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, x2, y2, x3, y3. So x1 equal to 3, x2 equal to minus 2, x3 equal to 5 after by 3. After y1 equal to 4, y2 equal to minus 1, y3 equal to 3. Okay, by 3. So 3 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 2 equal to 6 by 3. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 7 minus 1 equal to 6 by 3. 6 by 3, 6 by 3 equal to 2, 2 is a final answer. Now, in a parallelogram of a diagonal bisect each other. So midpoint of DG equal to midpoint of BC. What is midpoint of DG? Midpoint of D to G. D is center. Okay, midpoint of DG equal to midpoint of BC. Okay, midpoint of DG equal to midpoint of DC. Okay, so midpoint of DG means D to G. So midpoint of DG, what is D value? X, y. What is D value? D means x, y. G means center. Center value we found 2, 2. Center value found 2, 2. So 2, 2. So midpoint of DG means here it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x1? X1 means x. What is x2? X2 means 2, 2 by 2. After y1, what is meant by y1? Y1 means y. After y2 means 2. So y plus 2 by 2. Okay, now x plus 2 by 2 equal to x plus 2 by 2, y plus 2 by 2 equal to midpoint of BC. B value minus 2, minus 1. C value 5, 3 is here. Now it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2. Okay, now midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. What is x1? Minus 2 plus 5 divided by 2. After y1 plus y2. y1 only minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, now x plus 2 by 2 equal to minus 2 plus 5 equal to 3. So 3 by 2. After y plus 2 by 2 equal to minus 1 plus 3 equal to 2 by 2. Now first term comparing to first term equaling to first term, second term equaling to second term. Okay, so x plus 2 by 2 equal to 3 by 2, y plus 2 by 2 equal to 2 by 2. So x plus 2 by 2 equal to 3 by 2, multiple 2 in opposite, divisible. Sorry, divisible 2 in opposite, multiple. So x plus 2 equal to 3 by 2, now divisible 2 in opposite, multiple. So numerator denominator to cancel, remaining only x plus 2 by 2. Now x equal to plus 2 in opposite, minus 2. So x equal to 1. After y plus 2 by 2 equal to 2 by 2. Now 2 cancel. Y plus 2 equal to, so plus 2 in opposite, minus 2, y equal to 0. Therefore the coordinates of the vertex B equal to x, y. That means x equal to 1, y equal to 0. It is a final result. Question number 7 is one homework. Okay, thank you students.